Today I'm excited to share with you the 7 habits of highly frugal people and how you can save money like a pro. I'll share a bit later on why frugality is truly a secret sauce to the seasoned investor, but in short, frugality is all about being intentional with your spending so that you can save money for the things that matter most to you. I'm going to share some tips and strategies that you can start using right away to become more frugal and achieve your financial goals, as well as getting into that secret sauce I mentioned earlier. Before we dive into the habits of highly frugal people, let's define what we mean by frugal. Frugality is not about being cheap or stingy, it's about being intentional with your spending. It means making thoughtful choices about how you use your money so that you can get the most value out of it. Being frugal can help you reach your financial goals faster, whether that's paying off debt, saving for a deposit on a house, taking a dream vacation, or importantly, investing to build your passive income. So, what are some habits of highly frugal people? Here are 7 examples. 1. Meal planning. Planning your meals ahead of time can help you save money by reducing food waste and avoiding impulse purchases. When you plan meals for the week, you can make a grocery list and only buy what you need. You can also take advantage of sales and coupons to save even more money. Also, when you plan out what you want to eat, it's more likely you'll plan out more healthy meals that meet your personal training goals rather than just eating out of impulse. 2. Using coupons or cashback apps. Coupons and cashback apps are great ways to save money on your everyday purchases. You can usually find discount codes online. Whenever you buy anything online, Google discount codes and the website you're buying from and double check if there are any discounts available. There are also a whole range of cashback apps you can use. These apps are usually free and can save you a lot of money over time. Just Google cashback apps and browse what's available to you. You can also use cashback or reward cards like American Express, but be careful to only spend what you can afford so you never incur interest charges. 3. Buying used items. Buying used items can save you a lot of money, especially when it comes to big ticket items like furniture and appliances. You can find used items at online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace. I personally use Facebook Marketplace quite a bit. It is quite incredible the amount you can save on items that are often used very little. When you buy used, you're also helping to reduce waste and lessen the environmental impact of consumerism. So next time you need something around the house, just try searching for it online secondhand. You might be pleasantly surprised. Also, I often find the stuff I buy secondhand, like a specific tool I might need for a DIY project, rather than just renting it. I'll buy it secondhand and you can then sell it on to someone else for the same price that I originally paid for it. 4. Negotiating prices. Negotiating prices can be intimidating, but it can also save you a lot of money if you're willing to ask for a better deal. When you're making a big purchase like a car or a home, it's especially important to negotiate to get the best price possible. Even for smaller purchases like a gym membership or renewing your internet plan, you can often get a discount if you're just willing to ask. Most companies will be willing to offer a discount if it means retaining or gaining a new customer. Number 5. Avoiding impulse. Impulse buys can be tempting, but they can also quickly add up and derail your budget. To avoid impulse buys, make a shopping list before you go to the store and stick to it. If you see something you want to buy that's not on your list, wait a few days before making the purchase. You might find that you don't really need or want the item after all. 6. DIY projects. Doing things yourself can save you money on everything from home repairs to gifts for friends and family. You can learn how to do almost anything online, from fixing a leaky tap to building a bookshelf. When you do things yourself, you're also building valuable skills that you can use to save you money in the future. 7. Using free resources. There are many free resources available, from public libraries to online courses that can help you save money and learn new skills. Public libraries offer books, movies and music for free, as well as classes and workshops on a variety of topics. There are a lot of free websites online that offer free courses, and of course, as you're doing, you can browse YouTube that can help you learn new skills as well. All of this can lead to higher paying jobs or side hustles. For me, frugality has been a game changer in my life. The more and more I've realised being frugal isn't about being cheap, but about being intentional with why I'm spending money, the more satisfaction I have in spending, knowing I'm doing it for the right reasons. I hate the feeling of wasting money. For me, it's all about reducing that feeling. I mentioned right at the start of the video that frugality is a secret sauce to the seasoned investor. The reason that is every investor knows a pound or dollar invested today can compound and grow to many pounds or dollars tomorrow, or in a year, or a decade. Put it this way, would you rather waste a pound or a dollar today on something you don't really want or need, at the cost of not being able to invest it and potentially have many more pounds or dollars in a year or 2 years or 10 years time, when you may really need it to invest in something you believe in or pay for something you really need in the future? Money is something you can spend, but it's also something you can use to reproduce more money, hence the term money makes money. In conclusion, becoming more frugal can help you achieve your financial goals faster and live a more intentional and fulfilling life. By implementing these 7 habits of highly frugal people, you can start saving money, investing money, and living more sustainably today. Remember, being frugal doesn't mean being cheap or sacrificing the things that you love. It simply means being intentional with your spending and getting the most value out of your money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.